काफी बड़ा सेल लगा हुआ था. These are all the patterns that I had. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally मैं बैठकर ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ because I've been waiting to make this video. सारे parcels आ चुके हैं and today I will be sharing with you guys my Myntra का sale haul. Myntra का काफी बड़ा sale लगा हुआ था. These are all the patterns that I had. So yes, without much blabbering, चलो शुरू करते इस वीडियो को. So let's start with all the beauty items जो मैंने मंगवाया है सेल के टाइम. Very first thing that I've got is this Wishcare underarm roll-on serum. And this is the Aqua Fresh one. I've been using the Body Wise one and it just is so very beautiful. And because वो खत्म होने का आया, that's the reason I got this. And ये काम करता है आपके अंडरआर्म को लाइट करने में, आपके अंडरआर्म को फ्रेश रखने में and odor free आपको रखने में. And अगर आपको इस हॉल में से कोई भी चीज लेनी हो, then सारे लिंक में डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, आप जरूर चेक कर लेना. So I have ordered this Conscious Chemist the Defender Skin Renewal Retinol Night Serum, and this is how it looks like. I have, turned 27, so it's high time I should start using anti-aging, on an everyday basis. So that's the reason मैंने ये मंगवाया है. I have tried this brand before. इनके, most of the items मैंने use कर रखा है. इनके chemical peel, इनके hydrating serum, सारी चीजें मैंने use कर रखा है. And they are so good. They actually perform so fast. They just transform your skin. So this is how the beautiful inside packaging looks like. मैं 2-3 बार already use कर चुकी हूँ and I've been loving it. Please start using anything, anti-aging, ताकि आपका skin आपको शुक्रिया करेगा when you age year by year. Your skin will age gracefully. Next, I have these two beautiful hair products from Minimalist. I loved their Minimalist Bond Repair Complex, and this is how it looks like. This is the newest one जो मैंने order किया. I've already used the other एक bottle मैंने use कर लिया है, and that's the reason I had to go ahead and buy it. It has shown tremendous good amount of results. अगर आपके बहुत सारे damaged बाल है, I'm not talking about the scalp, I'm talking about the hair length, then trust me, this will totally transform your hair game. I have completely used full bottle of this, and जब भी मैं इसे लगाकर shampoo करती हूँ and then I style my hair ना, I've gotten so many compliments. People have asked me क्या treatment मैंने करवाया है. They literally asked me कि what treatment did I do in order to get this kind of hair. I did not actually go ahead and take any kind of treatment, but I've used this product right here. After every single use, you will get to see results. ऐसे नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि एक बार लगाओगे तो झट से आपको results दिख जाएगा. No, give products their time to actually show the results. I have used the complete bottle. तब जाकर मुझे difference देखने को मिला, and that's the reason I've been loving it, and that's the reason I got this. So बहुत ही beautiful एक serum है that just totally transforms your game. The next item that I have gotten is the Minimalist Frizz Control Complex with SPF 30 hair serum. This is how it looks like. ये actually में एक hair serum है. मुझे लगा था कि ये actually में hair treatment होगा. After I received the product, मुझे then realize हुआ कि actually में ये hair serum है. So I have started using it, and oh boy, it actually controls the frizz. And this is what the beautiful product looks like. आप देख पा रहे हो. This is actually a serum, such a beautiful minimal packaging, and इस तरीके से आपको ये serum मिलता है. So this is how it looks like. Very lightweight in nature. The formulation absolutely non-sticky and बहुत ही lightweight है. Yeah, this is the next item that I got, and I'm so excited with trying this. Now let's go ahead and share with you guys one beautiful accessory जो मैंने लिया है, and that is a beautiful black accessorized का bag, and here is the packaging, and I just loved it. ठीक है, ये मेरी wish list में था, and the moment I saw the price going down, I was like, yes, I need to grab this ASAP, and that's when I got this beautiful bag right here. It's a very beautiful, simple, elegant black bag. You need to have this sort of like basic bag in your wardrobe to absolutely complete your wardrobe, and this is how it looks. आप देख पा रहे हो कितना सुंदर है. बहुत ही beautiful एक snake print crocodile texture का bag है, and you get this very minimal detailing right here, the brand का name, and then the back looks like this, very minimal. इस तरीके से खोलोगे जब, so you get the bag right here like this. And then you get this whole long gold chain. 820 या 840 का मुझे पड़ा था. I saw the price and it was around like 4,000 500 समथिंग लाइक दैट। मैं सारी चीजें यहाँ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी। तो जब मैंने देखा कि 840 या 850 का मिल रहा था, आई वाज लाइक आई नीड दिस ASAP। चलो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू ऑल द क्लोथिंग आइटम्स जो मैंने मंगवाया है। ऑल ऑफ देम आर बेसिक yet so beautiful and these are wardrobe essentials. So the very first thing that I see is this very beautiful, bloomer sort of like biker shorts. I wouldn't say biker shorts, but bloomer sort of like undie. Very necessary, especially if you wear a lot of like skirts or dresses or shorts. This is the beautiful wardrobe essential that I got. ठीक है, इस तरीके का आपके पास इनोवेस होने चाहिए ताकि you are all protected and panty lines वगैरह दिखे नहीं and you are all secured. ऐसा आपके पास एक black and beige कलर का होना ही चाहिए and you are all sorted. Next I ordered this two beautiful tops, basic tops from H&M. Like I said, मुझे H&M के basics बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है and how can I not go ahead and shop from sale, especially H&M का basics. So this is what I have. Let's go ahead and jump in. The very first thing that I have ordered is this very beautiful basic nude beige color ka top. I ordered the same top in black color and I was like, wow, the fitting is absolutely gorgeous. So इस तरीके का आपको पेपर में रैप किया आता है and this is what I got. Absolutely gorgeous. I just love the color. It just suits my skin so very well. My skin tone just looks absolutely gorgeous when I go ahead and wear colors like this. It is such a beautiful, very fitted baby crop top and this is how it looks like. ये मुझे पड़ा था around 200 something rupees का. I was like, I need to grab this. This is what the beautiful beige color का baby crop top looks like. I just love however it fits and however it looks. बहुत ही beautiful सा fitting है. This right here is like an elevated basic. अगर आपको ऐसे t-shirts नहीं पहनना, if you are bored of like basic, normal, regular t-shirts, you can go ahead and wear something like this. That will look absolutely gorgeous. Also, I'll be uploading my H&M ka basics ka haul, so you can wait for the video. I'll be uploading it very soon. इस साल की शुरुआत में during my birthday time, I went at a shop from H&M and उसका haul भी मैंने कर रखा है. I'll put it right here और मैं card and description box में डालूंगी. And that's when I got the very beautiful nude color का square neck top. I just completely fell in love. And that's when I saw this particular, the exact thing on a sale and it was just for like 400 something rupees. मैंने ले लिया, ठीक है? And it is in a different color. It's not beige or not white. It's something like off-white sort of thing and it's the square neck beautiful top. It is so very beautiful. Like skin ka, dupe jo bolte hain na, the material feels and looks exactly like that. So this is what the neck item looks like. It's a very beautiful square neck sort of top and the fitting is just like A plus, top notch. It just looks so nice. This is what the next item looks like. I got this in the size extra small ताकि और भी ज़्यादा fitted लगे and काफी अच्छा fitting हो. इसका price is $7.99. As you can see, the price is around $7.99, but मुझे मिल गया था around 350 or like 400 rupees, which is actually a steal. So yeah, this is the next item that I got and I will definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check this out. We have come till the end. मैंने और एक H&M का beautiful सा balloon and puff sleeve वाला top मंगवाया था, but I had to get it returned. Although the whole top and all was very nice, very beautiful, very cute, but उसका sleeve वो बैठ ही नहीं रहा था. It was just falling off. So I had to get it returned. उसके बदले मैंने ये beautiful सा कुर्ती मंगवाया है. So this is what I've ordered. Is this very beautiful kurti set. I went ahead and got this from this brand called Anaina, however you want to pronounce that. So ये brand ना काफी beautiful Indian ethnic items या फिर clothing items, traditional clothing बनाते हैं, and that's where I got this beautiful kurti set from इनके और भी बहुत beautiful kurti sets है. Just is so very beautiful. The material, the fabric is gonna be very comfortable, especially इस गर्मी में. कोलकाता का गर्मी is like very bad. The humidity is very bad. So इस गर्मी में इस तरीके का sleeveless kurtis, especially इस fabric is very nice and very comfortable. So this is what the pant, इसका trouser कुछ इस तरीके का. The print is absolutely gorgeous. So इस तरीके का आपको स्ट्रेट फिट, मैं बोलूंगी स्ट्रेट फिट का डिजाइन या फिर स्ट्रेट फिट वाला पैंट्स मिल जाएगा. द हेम लुक्स लाइक दिस. छोटा सा बॉर्डर है ब्लू कलर का एंड द होल trouser has this beautiful florally print right here. The color is absolutely gorgeous and आपको इस तरीके का पीछे की तरफ पेज की तरफ आपको इस तरीके का beautiful सा elastic मिल जाएगा and it is not very like tight and rigid, so it is going to be very comfortable. And then comes the kurti itself. It is such a beautiful sleeveless v-neck wala kurti, and this is how it looks like. This is what the beautiful top looks like. बहुत ही प्यारा कुर्ती है and आपको ये sleeveless वाला design मिल जाएगा, and then the whole kurti looks like this. Absolutely gorgeous. The material is very comfortable. The fabric is absolutely breathable, especially for summertime. It is absolutely going to be comfortable. इस तरीके का आपको V-neck वाला डिटेलिंग मिल जाएगा जो कि बहुत ज्यादा प्यारा लगता है. So this one right retails for original price retails for 3,098 rupees, but sale पे था बोल के and I exchanged that with the other top from H&M, so I just had to pay around like 200 rupees, so the whole amount was around like 800 rupees. मीशो से आप अगर मंगाओगे ना सेम चीज आपको मिल जाएगा, बट उनका क्वालिटी बहुत ज्यादा गंदा होगा. After 1 or 2 washes it will just wear off, wear down, and you wouldn't be able to wear it. Buying something that's original from the brand itself, उनका material and fabric obviously अच्छा होगा, आप काफी टाइम तक पहन पाओगे. These are actually worth every penny. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you do, then do like this video and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you guys very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and